What's up guys, Ibibot here. You might be wondering why I look like I'm about to go to the army. I promise you, well not. A lot has changed. You've seen my last video, which was probably about a week ago, and then now you're seeing this video and you're like, Ibby, what the hell has happened to you? I'll tell you straight, I like being bold and it is what it is. So today we're unboxing the Astro A50 mod kit. So this is with the leather ear cups and the headband. I did say in the last video that I was thinking about changing the ear cups to leather from velvet, because the velvet ones, although they're really nice and cushiony, especially in the summer, they make your ears really warm. So that's not me. When I have leather ear cups on my headset, I feel like I can game for longer, you know what I mean? So that's why I got this. This is an A50 toolkit or mod kit. This shows you like how to, you know, not show you, but it shows the explosion diagram, kind of. I don't know what else you can do with it, but yeah, we're about to find out. So this was the top of it, by the way. So I ripped it off and then I just thought, oh shit, am I actually recording? I wasn't. We'll go to important safety compliance. Put that out the window. Oh, so it's a leather headband as well, like cushion headband. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's check out these. Oh, these are pretty nice. I love the cushions. Leather, proper leather, mate. None of this velvet shit. It's cool. Let's whack them on. Got mine here. Right, so I'm gonna take this off. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. That's crazy. Snap it right on. Magnetic, love it. I don't think it matters like which way you put it. They're both the same shape. How am I gonna do this? I don't want to break it. Okay, headband's off. Oh, it's a lock thing. Okay, so for the headband there's like a lock sort of thing. So what you do is you put these two sort of notches in these slots. It's kind of hard to show on the camera. And then what you do, once you get like this, basically slide it like that and it locks so it doesn't fall out. Now as you can see it won't fall out. It's pretty dope. Okay, let's wear these. Can't lie, it does feel so much better. I can't even hear myself. So these cushions, as I said before, don't get me wrong, they're nice, but they just make your ears too warm, especially in the summer, because in the summer my room gets really warm, so it doesn't really help with these. So you know, these are a massive upgrade. Fits perfect, so happy with it. This is literally it. This is how they look like now. You can see the headband. It's that velvet. That was it. That was the unboxing. Now I have to put boxes and cardboard back in the bin. It's pretty cool. I like it. I think it is worth it. I think it will be worth it when I start gaming, because even like when I put it on and not even game, I can tell the difference. Obviously completely up to you which one to use, but for me, leather ear cups all the way. I had them previously on my other wireless headset and they're the best thing ever, so I'm really glad that I got to whack them on. That's it for this video. Pretty much. Subscribe for this guy. I don't know when I'm going to be doing videos or whatnot. I stream every day, but that's it really. I stream every day, but that's it, man. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with the whole damn world. I don't know why I'm pointing that way. And I'll see you guys in another video.